Okay, so step by step, how do you get to Tracy Island? Tell us.
Okay. From Callao, right,
Sure.
to Phi Island,
Uh-huh.
right?
Uh-huh.
And from Phi Island to Hong Island, Hong Island to Maya Bay Island. Oh my gosh. And then you have to take a Phi to Arnhem, right?
Uh-huh.
And from Arnhem,
Awning.
you have to go Riley Islands. And when you hit to Riley Islands, you take another boat to the Tracy Islands.
Oh. But you have to stop at Riley and see and go where?
And,
And go to the boat. Go to
Yeah.
the boat park. And then go to the boat. And then
and when you go to Tracy Island, you never know. Someday it's like really sunny.
and sometimes it's
Someday
how's our
like
boat so far out
cold.
there?
I know.